There are no rituals. There are only your own emotions. Spirituality means no rituals. Rituals means no spirituality. We want spirituality. We don't want no spirituality. Lock, stock and barrel, no rituals at all. I'll tell you once what happened once. Jesus Christ was going. One person, he was having his father's dead body. He was not knowing what to do with the dead body. Jesus asked him, Swamiji, what are you doing? No, I am waiting for, I don't know what to do with my father's body. Recently he died. You know what Jesus said? Okay, he is not there in the body. Now you don't have anything to do with that body. You leave the body there, only come with me. Leave the body like that? Yes, Swamiji, leave the body like that and come with me. Okay, here I go with you. So he left his father's body there only and followed Jesus Christ. That is Jesus Christ. If your father is there in the body, you take care of him. If he is not there in the body, why are you bothered? So you come with me, he said. Leave the body there, whatever happens. May some birds will come and eat, some animals will come and eat, or it will just decay like that. We don't know. We don't care anymore. We don't need to care at all. There is nothing to be cared for, be caring. You leave that situation there, come with me, he said. Jesus was going to the next village, so that fellow followed Jesus Christ. This is what happened in Jesus Christ's life. Don't we learn from Jesus Christ? Out of sight, out of mind. See, my Guruji, when he left his body, then from my mind also he was gone. I pay respect to him, but I am not attached to him at all. Even when he was in the body, I was not attached to him. When he died also, I am not attached to him. I am not attached at all to anybody, to my mother or my father or my guru or my disciples or anybody. Nobody I am attached to. I am a free bird, always. All pyramid masters are like that. Free birds. When they are there, we take care. When they are not there, we forget. Out of sight, out of mind. Within sight, within mind. Now you are within my sight. Nilima I am talking to. Now the whole of my mind is occupied with Nilima. What she has put a question and what I have to answer. My whole 100% attachment is now with you. But once you are out, somebody else comes, Nilima is out of my mind. So dead people are also, they should be out of your mind immediately. Before they left the body, they are in the mind totally. But after they left the body, they are totally out of the mind. They don't require that you should have them in your mind. No, they don't require it. You also don't require it, that's all. It is not disrespect at all, it is true enlightenment. There is no disrespect involved here. There is enlightenment involved here. Remember this point, out of sight, out of mind. Within sight, within mind. रात गई तो बात गई. रात चले गई फिर भी बात नहीं गई मन में से. ऐसा नहीं होता. रात गई तो बात गई. Out of sight, out of mind. The moment somebody is dead, they are out of my mind. They are not yet dead, they are within my mind. I am concerned about them, I talk to them, I put my wisdom before them with all my abilities.